Welcome to the valedictory ceremony of Connect 2K25, the annual Inter-College Management Fest of Geetharattan International Business School.
Today has been an exhilarating journey filled with innovation, strategy, competitive spirit, from insightful case analysis to thought-provoking debates, from creative advertisement to high-stakes stock trading. We have witnessed sheer brilliance in every competition. Today, we are privileged to have two distinguished guests with us today, Mr. Vivek Jain, Managing Director at Higher Pandit, and Ms. Jyotsna Potedar, Founder and CEO of Perfecting Skills and Academic Director in GTC. We extend a warm welcome to both of them.
We are privileged to welcome Mr. Vivek Jain, Managing Director at Higher Pandit, as our chief guest for the valedictory ceremony. With over 35 years of experience in business development, technology management, and recruitment, Mr. Vivek Jain has worked with Fortune 500 companies and global clients. As the Managing Director of Higher Pandit, he specializes in global sourcing, project management, and technology-driven hiring, with expertise in platforms like SQL, .NET, Java, and Unix. He has helped place consultants in major IT, EPC, and defense companies worldwide, supporting clients across Indonesia, Japan, Saudi Arabia, UAE, and the USA. His deep knowledge of market research, vendor management, and international business development makes him a leader in the field. Let's give him a warm welcome to Mr. Vivek Jain.
I request our Director, Sir, Professor Dr. Vikas Nath, to kindly present the keen welcome to our esteemed guest of the day, Mr. Vivek Jain.
Thanks for sparing time. God bless you. Thank you.
Now, we request Mr. Vivek Jain to share a few words with us.
Everyone, and I'm very happy to attend this gracious event at the Business School. As the founder and managing director of Higher Pandit, I extend a very heart and welcoming opportunity to all the students, to the management, and of course to Dr. Vikas Nath, who is actually taking this opportunity to take each leap ahead. I was told that this is a graduating ceremony for 2K25 children, and I just wanted to give pass one mantra to each of the students here who is listening. Is this better? Oh. So I was told that I should be giving certain advices to the students because recruitment is a key skill which I follow. So my mantra to each student who's actually eyeing the corporate world or maybe just thinking of doing your own business is the first step is to learn how to make money, which is the most graduating thing you all would be thinking of, right? And while you all make money, right, it's also important to understand how do you save money. Because if money is saved, then you make more money. This sounds simple, right? But this is the key principle of life when we all move ahead. So I've always followed a principle where a very simple punchline which I carry across is that, and that line is in Hindi, see, Kudrat aapka syllabus ka badal de, aapko nahi pata. So just be very flexible when you're moving on. Make sure that you're learning, you're seeking out opportunities, you're learning, you're behaving well, right? Seek mentors in your bosses when you're moving up. Because don't just think like, okay, these are bosses. This is just an environment, right? So you have to be a changed person in yourself to be actually exhibiting what you all want to do in life. So be very certain, like a step of faith, a step of belief in the organizations you're going to enter. And of course, like some of you live in the classrooms right now, start respecting your teachers. And I'll tell you, this is the biggest thing you'll do today, because you'll remember each student, each teacher who's guided you through to make sure that you become what you want to become. So God bless each of you here, and thank you so much for listening to me. I just wanted to keep it very short and simple for each of us here. Good luck in your careers, good luck in whatever you want to do, but make sure follow a path and stay dedicated to it. There will be many deviations. Don't just go and fight the deviations. And God will keep on blessing you with the right path. Thanks again. Thank you from my continuation.
Thank you so much for your inspiring words, sir.
We are privileged to have with us our guest of honor, Ms. Jyotsna Potedar, founder and CEO of Perfecting Skills, and Academy Director in GEC. With 15 years of experience as a professional training consultant and executive coach, she has transformed lives through personality development and soft skill training. Her company, Perfecting Skills, is driven by a passion for empowering individuals through engaging, interactive, and impactful training programs. As the project director of Antardarshan, she leads initiatives that prepare students to become world-class business leaders by instilling essential interpersonal and business skills. Her passion for empowering individuals and institutions is truly inspiring. We extend a warm welcome to Ms. Jyotsna Potedar. I request our Honorable Director Sir to kindly present a green welcome to esteemed guest of honor, Ms. Jyotsna Potedar. And now, it's time to celebrate excellence and honor those who have displayed remarkable intellect, creativity and perseverance throughout this fest. To present the awards, we request our Honorable Director Sir, Dr. Vikas Nath Sir, esteemed guests and judges to kindly grace the stage.
Starting off with the 19th National Case Folio Competition, judged by Professor S.K. Garg, Director East Campus DTU. The award for the best presenter in the 19th National Case Folio Competition goes to Priyanka Agarwal from Christ University, Bangalore. Congratulations. You have won a cash prize of 1,500.
Is she watching us? Is she watching us?
The runner-up for the 19th National Case Folio Competition is Garg Gupta and Aryan Rahul Sethi from New Delhi Institute of Management. Well done, you guys have won a cash prize of ₹3,000. May we please have a huge round of applause for the participants?
And finally, the winner of the 19th National Case Folio Competition is Hipen Chadda, Sacham Sharma and Sanya Segal from Amity University. Let's give them a big round of applause for the remarkable achievement. You have won a cash prize of 5,000 rupees.
The business plan competition. Judged by Mr. Gagandeep Singh, the award for best presenter in the business plan competition goes to Hipen Chadda from Amity University. Congratulations, you have just won a cash prize of 1,500 rupees.
Applause for Hipen.
Where is the certificate, please? If not made, take it again. Bring one certificate. Bring one certificate. start preparing the next.
Now, the runner-up for the business planning competition is Karthik Chauhan, Harsh Chaubey and Vedansh Batra from Asian Business School. Well done guys, you have won a cash prize of 3,000 rupees. Please give a huge round of applause for Karthik, Harsh and Vedansh.
And finally, the winner of the business plan competition are Rupam Kumari and Ishan Gupta from Bhagwan Parshuram Institute of Technology. Let's give them a big round of applause for their remarkable achievement. You have won a cash prize of rupees 5,000. Can we please have a huge round of applause for Ishan?
You let us know the location.
Now, moving on to the next event, the Bull and the Bear Battle Stock Trading Game, judged by CS Deepak Gulati. The runner for the Bull and Bear Battle is Ritik Gupta from ITS Ghaziabad. Well done, Ritik. You have won a cash prize of 1,000 rupees.
And finally, the winner of the Bull and Bear Battle is Udit Sharma from Geeta Ratan International Business School. Congratulations, Udit. You just won a cash prize of rupees 2,000.
Show a smile on your face.
Now, moving on to the next event, the Business Brainiac Business Quiz. Runner-up for the Business Brainiac are Mohammad Aman Khan, Muzaffar Mujib, and Zaman Khan from Aviation of Business. Well done, guys. You have won a cash prize of 1,000 rupees. Please give a huge round of applause for Aman and his team.
बीच में जिम पैन चलना बंद हो रहा है
And finally, the winner of the Business Brainiac is Divit Sahani from Bhaskacharya College of Applied Sciences, Delhi University. Let's give a huge round of applause as he wins this remarkable achievement with just won a cash prize of rupees 2,000.
Next up, we have Advertise, the advertisement making competition, judged by Mr. Shahid Hassan Khan. The runner-up for the Advertise are Mohit Jain, Ananya Tanwar, Riddhi Arora, and Himanshi Singh from Gibbs. Well done, guys. We have won the cash prize of 2,000 rupees.
And finally, the winner of Admitas are Tisha Bassi, Vaibhav, Akash Gupta and Shubhra Tyagi from Jims Rohini Sector 3. Let's give them a big round of applause for their remarkable achievement. They've just won a cash prize of Next up, we have the turncoat competition, judged by Dr. Shikha Bhatia. The runner-up for the turncoat competition is Harshvardhan Arora and Aryan Kohli from Geeta Ratan International Business School. You have just won a cash prize of ₹2,000.
Please give a huge round of applause for them.
अबे हर दिन का नहीं मिल रहा भाई तेरा
Well done.
And finally, the winner of the turncoat competition is Harshit Dubey and Aditya Mani Tripathi from Lloyd Law College, Greater Noida. Let's give them a huge round of applause for their remarkable achievement. We have won a cash prize of 3,000 rupees.
Congratulations to all the participants and winners. Your hard work, dedication and enthusiasm has made this event truly special. Keep aiming high and remember, the sky is the limit. Sir, ma'am, we thank you for joining us on stage, cheering for our talented participants and now presenting the awards. You may now take your seats. Honorable Director, sir, to kindly present the memento to Mr. Vivek Jain.
Now, I request our Honorable Director Sir to kindly present a green welcome to Ms. Josna Podidar.
We request Director Sir to kindly present the memento to Ma'am.
Now, it's time to honor the dedication, talent and hard work that made Connect 2025 a grand success. Before we begin the much awaited award ceremony, let's take a moment to acknowledge the exceptional efforts for our organizing team who orchestrated this fest with unmatched enthusiasm and passion.
At the heart of this fest is our management club, Mind Mentors, whose dedication, creativity and meticulous planning made this event a resounding success. Let's give a huge round of applause as we invite the Connect 2025 coordinators on stage. Shivam, Nishka, Shruti, Himanshi, Harshit, Atul and all the extended team for a group photograph.
Yes, please come forward.